Alright guys, today is Wednesday and here's my cabinets have arrived. Special delivery from courtesy of my son-in-law, Christina's husband. Awesome guy, great cabinet man. I can give you the information, put a comment or a link down there, and let me know. These are good cabinets, great cabinets. Very light, all plywood, not press wood. This is working. Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna
close it. This is the gatekeeper right here. This young man, he apparently broke the gate.
No, I did.
Yeah, you did. Watch out, don't go in the street. Get back up here. Hold the gate. There's one happy camper. Pretty soon, all this will be gone. There's a new cabinets and Terry's singing. She's happy. So these are going to be the upper cabinets. We're going to put them in today. And by tomorrow, we'll have the kitchen cabinets in. 10-4. And the little guy is singing too. There he is. Do-it-yourself cabinets.
I'm so excited. Here's your cup.
So what do you think? What do you want to
Waiting
tell?
a long time.
Long time. Promises made, promises kept, right?
That's right. There you go. Thank you,
Yeah, I'm
Jesus.
like Donald Trump, right?
That's right.
All right.
Okay, I'm out of here because I don't want to see the beginning. I want to see the end.
The end?
Yep.
You can't say that, honey.
So thank you, Jesus. I thank the Lord today.
All right.
Thank you.